If you're looking for a great expandable wagon, this video is for you. Hey guys, I'm Elizabeth. Let's take a look at this expandable foldable wagon. It's heavy duty. The wheels are gigantic. It's perfect for families on the go. Let's check it out. Here's how it comes out of the box, but not quite yet put together. First things first, you'll take off this cover. Here's the wagon folded up small. This is the handle, of course. We'll attach the wheels. There are two with a square shaft and two with a round shaft. We'll go ahead and put the wheels on, and then we'll open it up. We've got square shaft install, round shaft wheels. There we go. Here's how small it folds up with the wheels on. And then the next step is just unfasten it. Sets up just as easy as this. Here's a couple of bungee cords for your convenience. And then over here separately is the base of the wagon. You just put that right in. Now you have a nice floor to your wagon. It's got a 440-pound capacity. It's got a nice telescoping handle with a good wide range so you can pull it all around. These wide wheels are amazing. They're going to be really good for the beach, for the ball field, camping, wherever you need to go. These are truly all-terrain wheels. Nice and fat. The wheels lock for safety. You've got a couple of drink holders up here on front. Storage bag on the side. It's got a zipper compartment on top. Nice and spacious. And then these mesh pockets right here on the front. These are also adjustable with these straps here. So that way if you need to pack sleeping bags or pillows or camping chairs or whatever behind this space, you can fit a whole lot back here as well. The maneuverability is really amazing with this thing. So far, I'm really impressed with this wagon. I can't believe the weight capacity. Go ahead and lock it for safety and try it out with me. I'm not quite 440 pounds, but for reference, I'm 5'3", about 155 pounds. And this would probably hold a couple of me. So if you're looking to haul kids in this thing, you probably can. All right, well, I've got a little one who demands a wagon ride.
Explain the polio.
So all in all, I'm going to tell you this is a really high quality wagon. It's got a great weight capacity. It's super sturdy, and I definitely recommend.